Hello and welcome. Kamusta kayong lahat dito mga kapatid kong Star viewers? Merry Christmas and Happy New Year advance. And kamusta ang inyong holiday so far? Sana ang lahat ay natunawan na no sa mga kaliwat ka ng party. Again, I love you guys and maraming salamat po sa pagtangkilik ninyo dito sa aking any of my tarot reading videos, The Star Talking Tarot. Sa mga new subscribers, hands up and thank you for stopping by and maraming salamat dahil naligaw kayo dito sa aking YouTube channel and nakaresonate kayo. Maraming salamat po sa subscribe nyo dito and sa mga dati ko pang subscribers, sa mga followers ko dito. I'm sorry na speechless ang kapatid ninyo. Anyway, maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat sa pagtangkilik at pagsubaybay nyo dito sa aking any of my tarot reading videos, The Star Talking Tarot. So, kamusta kayo? And ang reading natin ngayon is itong taong 2025 or nalalapit na taong 2025. Again, this is timeless. So whenever you watch this reading, this is meant to find you. No? So may mensahe para sa inyo dito and minsan sabihin natin na accidentally, no? But then again, this is a sign na one of your manifestation or isa sa mga minamanifest ninyo ay mangyayari sa taong 2025. So again, may rason kung bakit nagawi kayo sa reading na ito. So alamin natin mga kapatid kung aling minamanifest ninyo ang mangyayari sa taong 2025. Alright, Spirit Guide Angels, tell me more about their manifestation. Aling manifestation? Diretso na tayo ha, collective. So again, wag lang tayong bitter. Bawal po ang bitter dito. Take what resonates for you here. If not, din hindi yung para sa inyo, para yung sa iba natin mga kapatid na star viewers. So again mga kapatid, tawagan nyo lang akong kapatid na star. Alright, Spirit Guide Angels, alin sa mga minamanifest ng ating mga viewers ang mangyayari sa taong 2025? Oh my God, happiness. The Sun is a major arcana. Congratulations. I'd like to congratulate you guys dahil it's gonna be happiness, success for the year 2025 sa taong whatever you are manifesting for, it makes your dream come true. Fulfillment, happiness. Wow. The Sun is really a blessing. It's like a blessings in disguise. It's like hard work pays off. You will be feeling freedom. Like, it's like pakakawalan ka na. Something about pakakawalan ka na. Siguro minamanifest mo itong good news or something about news na marireceive mo. Siguro you have been waiting for this. It's like a paperwork. I'm hearing like a paperwork. It could be like, I'm hearing like a lawyer. Siguro, you could be something dealing about like a lawyer thing na good news, it will be a good news for you na marireceive mo from this paperwork or a jury, you know what I mean, like siguro divorce paper or something, a property, and I'm hearing like malulutas na. Okay, malulutas na, whatever it is, ikaw lang nakakaalam. So again, iba-iba yung mga minamanifest ninyo and just take what resonates for you here dahil hindi po ito para sa isang tao lang. As a reminder, collective reading po ito, general reading. Alright? So tell me more about this manifestation of the Sun, Spirit Guide Angels, itong happiness. Kasi this will be like makes you happy, releasing, you know, releasing of toxic mindset, toxic energy. And I'm also getting like yung sakit, siguro dala-dala mo tong sakit and then sa taong 2025, you'll be feeling like light. Yung nahihil ka na. Yung feeling mo na wala na itong kapaguran sa katawan mo. Whatever it is na dala-dala mo, finally, nagkakaroon ka na ng freedom from this, it could be health, something about like health issues, no, na finally sa taong 2025 ay makakaramdam ka na rin ng healing. I'm also hearing like mapapayapa or magkakaroon na rin ng kapayapaan ang iyong mindset. Yeah, something about like kapayapaan sa iyong pag-iisip. No, siguro something bothers you lately and you have been manifesting this, no? So hinihintay mo to or pinipray mo itong manifestation na tama na, sana maging masaya naman na ako. So yes, you will receive this happiness, this contentment. Kahit anong kasi lately minsan parang aburido ka ba? I'm hearing like aburido, no? And that pagod na pagod ka na. Siguro lately, you have been thinking about this heavily. Mabigat sa iyong dibdib, sa iyong isipan, something na nagpapabigat sa iyo. You will be feeling an ending, a new beginning. Kasi pagka may ending, magkakaroon ng new beginning. Siguro an ending of relationship, and then, or an ending of something na toxic na, let go, and let God, and somehow, finally, itong minamanifest mo ng freedom, ay marireceive mo sa taong 2025, at mangyayari na. So, congratulations. And yes, pinipray mo ito. Siguro you want to get out from this toxic environment, no? Siguro toxic people, or again, a freedom. Freedom sa pag-iisip na tama na, no? Siguro, like again, you have been thinking about this worries. Ang dami mo siguro inaalala, naguguluhan ka ba, or something about naguguluhan ka. Or again guys, kunin nyo lang ha kung saan ka nakakasunod, kasi ang dami kong nakukuhang energy dito. Kaliwat kanan. So, alam mo kung anong pinagsasabi ko dito, and then this is for you. Itong minamanifest na pinagsasabi ko dito. Again, hindi po ito general, hindi po ito private reading, para po ito sa lahat. Kung sino itong nakakaintindi sa mga pinagsasabi ko. I am just telling you what I am getting, the energy. Kasi ang binabasa ko rin dito is the energy na nasagap ko dito sa reading na ito. So yeah, maybe you have been feeling like alone, no? Again, feeling alone sa mga babayarin, sa mga it could be sa mga tao sa paligid mo na parang hindi ka nila tutulungan, or something na feeling na you against the world. So again, sa 2025, itong minamanifest mo, magkakaroon ka rin ng peace of mind. Siguro magkakaroon ka rin ng, I'm getting like a day off. Magkakaroon ka ng a quality time, kahit malang sa sarili mo. It's gonna happen sa taong 2025. Mangyayari ito. You will be feeling like, I'm hearing like feeling bata. Yes, siguro minamanifest mo rin ito na sa looks. I'm getting like may magkakaroon ka dito ng younger feeling looks, feeling light. Yung nagkakaroon, it's like you're aging but your looks look younger. Yes, mararamdaman mo yan sa taong 2025. Maguglow itong looks mo. Mapapansin ito ng mga haters. Yeah, maraming makakapansin sa pag-glow up mo. Kasi manamanifest mo ito. It's like magkakaroon ka ng realization sa taong 2025 na you have to love yourself. You will be more focusing on loving yourself. You will be focusing on how to receive or achieve this self-care and abundance. Itong pinipray ninyo. I'm getting like your, anong tawag nito? Hold on. So magkakaroon ng activation sa iyong solar plexus chakra sa taong 2025. This is more about confident. So, itong confident ay magbo-boost sa taong 2025. You'll be feeling like you can do this alone. Hindi mo kailangan itong mga tao sa paligid mo. It's like a leadership, no? You can do this by yourself. More on a self-confident sa taong 2025. And marireceive mo ito. Whatever you are planning to do, kaya mo ito kapatid. Kasi more self-confident, confident lang ang kailangan para ma-achieve itong success. Itong pinipray mo or minamanifest ninyo, I'm sorry. Yeah, sa taong 2025, self-confident is the key to achieve success. Kaya mo ito. Huwag mong hayaan itong mga tao na hinihila ka pababa. Or binubuli ka, pinagtatawanan ka. Just do what you can do and believe in yourself. Because you will be achieving this success, this happiness, this success. Especially if it's a relationship matter. If you're not happy, maybe somehow nagkakaroon ka ng, nawawalan ka ng confidence sa sarili mo. Siguro minamanifest mo na sana'y maganda ka, gwapo ka, sexy ka, it's something about na mas mamahalin ka pa ng partner mo. But then again, you just have to believe in yourself. It's you, nothing else. But then again, minamanifest mo ito sa taong 2020. Again, minamanifest mo ito, but then sa taong 2025, your plexus chakra will be awakening. Magigising ito or magkakaroon ng activation sa taong 2025 and you will be getting this self-confident. Magbo-boost ito. You just have to continue on praying and manifested this confident. Matalino ka, maganda ka, malakas ang appeal mo, you bring joy and happiness within yourself and sa mga tao sa paligid mo. Yeah, itong high vibration, you will be lifting up this high vibration, bringing happiness. Ikaw ay magdadala ng katuwaan sa, it's like you are lighting up the environment. Magbibigay ka ng liwanag. You will be feeling this, you deserve this happiness, itong liwanag. Magkakaroon ka ng liwanag sa pag-iisip, realization, releasing all this bad habit. Okay? Because you realize you don't need this toxic mindset, this worried. You will be more stronger and protecting your environment. Believe in yourself, believe in God, believe in what you can do. That's why you got this self-confident sa taong 2025. Marireceive mo itong achievement na ito na siyang makakatuwa, na matutuwa ka. More on happiness and feeling confident. Mas maguglow ka, kapatid. At the more na naguglow ka o naging most successful sa taong 2025, maraming namang tao maiinggit sa iyo. Maiinggit sila sa paguglow mo, maiinggit sila sa mga na-achieve mo, sa pagiging happy-go-lucky mo. But then again, you will be more stronger. You will be more like, you don't care these people around you. Kahit na inggit sila, hindi ka maapektuhan because you are protecting yourself and you know how to do it. Kaya mo to. Inggit lang itong mga to kasi because you are bringing the light. Dala-dala mo ang kasiyahan sa buong mundo. Sa pamilya, sa trabaho, sa school. The more na naging successful ka, whatever you are achieving your manifestation, the more na dumadami naman itong mga haters mo. Hinihila ka nila pababa. Nagpapapansin. I'm also getting like, marami pang magpapapansin sa yung magkakagusto. It's like, may gusto lang pala sa'yo, yun pala, yun, nagpapapansin-pansin lang. Ginagalit ka, iniinis ka, lalong-lalo na sa school, mga parang teenager lang ang peg. Yes. Meron kasi dito na, siguro alam mo o kilala mo rin itong taong magpapapansin sa'yo. But then again, it could be like ex. I'm hearing like ex. No? Yeah. Nagpaparinig-parinig or siguro checking you on social media kasi I'm also getting like you will be receiving more suitors or mga manliligaw or viewers. You will be on top of the world. This is like the world card for me. So 7 of Wands. You are achieving your goal. You will be more protecting yourself. You can protect yourself. Minamanifest mo ito sa taong 2025, mangyayari ito. You will be successfully receiving this happiness, this protection. Your solar plexus chakra, guys, check niyo po itong solar plexus chakra. Ano ang meaning na ito? Kasi marami pa. Kasi solar plexus chakra is more about your self confident and control. So you will be controlling yourself. You know how to handle yourself with care without this toxic people around you. You will becoming more stronger. So mas maganda talaga na focus ka na lang sa sarili mo. The more kasi na naging successful ka, masaya, happy family, happy-go-lucky, maganda ang na-achieve mo sa school, sa trabaho, leader type, mas marami talagang or nagiging attractive ka sa mga chismosa, marites, sa mga haters. It's because you are brightening or mas nagiging maliwanag ang iyong energy sa taong 2025. It's like you're gonna be like a eye-catching to everybody, even sa social media, sa trabaho. Yes, mapapansin ka ng lahat. Sa taong 2025, ano pa ang minamanifest ninyo na mangyayari? What else, Spirit Rangers? Ano pa ang minamanifest na mangyayari sa ating mga collective sa taong 2025 na mangyayari? So, congratulations, guys. You will be holding the key about this self-confident, self-control, achievement. Marami pa magkakagusto sa iyo. Maybe the person na siguro marami kang gusto noon, or sabihin natin yung mga ex or mga crush mo noon, ngayon ay maglalaway sila sa iyo sa taong 2025 kasi mag-glow up ka dito. Magiging mas kapansin-pansin ka sa taong 2025. Wow, charot. Ano pa, Spirit Angels? Manifestation ng ating 2025 for my viewers. Okay, occupation. So, whatever you are manifesting about sa trabaho, you will be receiving this good news. Okay? So, sabihin natin na minamanifest mo matanggap itong trabahong ito, then you will be receiving this good news, no? Or siguro an offer. And guys, if you are talented about sewing or creating clothes or something like that, no, sa pagtatahi, or fashion designer, maybe you just have to believe in yourself. Follow your instinct. Maybe it's within you. Siguro talentado ka. And use this. Kasi kung, if you just have to believe in yourself, tiwala lang sa sarili, whatever you are manifesting about your talent, use this talent. Siguro, you might be calling. It's like your soul is calling. Tinatawag ka ng iyong kaluluwa, yung sarili mong kaluluwa na kaya mo to. Itong talento, meron kang talentong tinatago. Maybe you have to manifest this, continue manifesting this, because this 2025, your talent or your hidden talent, it's coming true or coming into life, reality, sa realidad sa taong 2025. Lalabas at lalabas itong nakatagong talento mo sa taong 2025. And kaya mo to, kailangan i-push mo lang itong talent mo, and it will bring you success, happiness. Do not let these people to drag you down. Hilahin ka pababa. Because you yourself know how to pursue your talent. You guys are very talented. Okay? And, my God, meron kang mangliligaw. Yes, whoever you are manifesting, this person's coming. Kaya lang, hold on. Kaya lang, itong taong ito ay magpe-pretend. This person will be pretentious. Again, there is a person na minamanifest mo, and also another person act like, I'm also getting like, meron itong gagamit ng fake identity. Okay, so be careful guys, kasi meron naman ditong good news and bad news. So, meron dito na you know this person, kaya lang hindi siya magpapakilala sa iyo. This person is going to talk to you or siguro sa social media using different account, like Facebook account or any account na try to talk to you. No, na mangliligaw, magpapa-impress sa inyo. But then again, this person is hiding their feelings. It could be na kinukulit ka, no? Siguro sa school, sa trabaho. It's like again, nasabi ko na kanina, may magpapapansin sa iyo. No, iinisin ka, ganyan, hindi mo siya maintindihan. But then again, this person is like admiring you. Yun lang naman pala eh. Dadaanin ka lang niya sa something about na pagagalitan or galit-galitin or galit-galitan, something like that. Or teasing you or bullying you. But then again, ang ending pala eh, malaki pala ang gusto sa iyo or mahal na mahal ka ng taong ito. This person is just like not as hindi lang talaga siya open sa nararamdaman niya. Or, I'm also getting like, a shy person. Okay? But then again, you will be evolving sa taong 2025 about this manifestation of looks. Confident. Kailangan lang talaga confident sa sarili. And then, that's how your looks, your vibration, your energy, no, na mahagip ng mga tao itong energy mo. Kahit sa social media, kapansin-pansin ka at magkakaroon pa ng maraming magkakagusto sa'yo. I'm also getting like, again, nasabi ko na kanina, siguro yung mga crush mo noon, and then sa taong 2025, magpaparamdam siya sa'yo, or madagdagdagan ang iyong mga admirer sa taong 2025 because they will be receiving this energy, high energy of yours na mahagip talaga nila. Hindi ka talaga, hindi nila mawari itong energy mo na something about you sa taong 2025 na maagaw pansin nila. Kahit sa trabaho, sa social media, even na hindi ka nila kilala. These people wants to know you more because they sees you something na nakakatuwa. No, siguro you guys are joker or like I said, talented, no? Yeah. Okay. Very talented people here. Okay, so ano pa? Ano pa, Spirit Angels, ang minamanifest ng mga viewers natin na mangyayari sa taong 2025? Yeah, siguro minamanifest mo itong taong ito and this person is coming. And napapansin niya ang pag-glow mo. Yeah, very specific na magugustuhan ka ng taong ito. Minamanifest mo siya, minamanifest ka rin niya. Wow. But then again, meron ditong sa kalusugan, yeah, about your health, may mag-cure dito. You will be feeling better. You will be, especially, kung ikaw itong may sakit, I'm also getting like, minamanifest mo siguro itong tao, someone na kilala mo, a family member, or a coworker, a friend. You are very specific, ano? Siguro minamanifest mo siya na sabihin natin may cancer, and then pinipray mo na, Lord God, sana ang taong ito ay magkakaroon na ng something about na free, freed from the cancer na sakit. You know what I mean? So, something about minamanifest mo, someone, or it could be you, na magkakaroon na ng freedom from this illness. Okay? So, it's gonna happen for the year 2025. Very specific here. I'm also getting like, for the year 2025, you will be achieving this new home. Siguro bibili ka ng bahay at ito ay mangyayari sa taong 2025. I'm also getting like a new renovation. Yeah, there is like a new renovation here. I'm also getting like may maglilipat sa taong 2025. Siguro minamanifest mo ito na makakalipat ka ng bahay o magkakaroon ka ng bagong bahay or bibili ng bahay, and it's gonna happen for the year 2025. Okay, so yes or no na tayo. This will be a short reading, hindi ko na tatagalan pa. Okay, pasensya na kung medyo nabitin kayo. Okay. Meron dito talaga na minamanifest mo itong person na ito, and this person is secretly stalking you. Okay? Especially sa taong 2025. Alright. So, again, pause muna itong video na ito, and then magtanong kayo ng kung ano itatanong nyo sa reading na ito or sa cards natin, or sa video na ito. And yeah, just kind of like a silent, and then ask any question, and then play nyo na yung reading, and then the answer will be here. Okay, so ano ba yan, ready? Bisaya ang pegte, but then again, nakakatuwa, no? So, ready na kayo mga kapatid? Okay, so play nyo na yung reading na ito, and Spirit Guide Angels, what's the answer for their question? Yes, travel. Again, may mag-move sa new place or new home. It could be renovate. Again, nasabi ko na kanina, mag-renovate, bibili ng bahay, or pagta-travel. You will be feeling, siguro may uuwi dito sa taong 2025. You will be feeling freedom kasi meron dito na toxic na itong sa trabaho mo or whatever environment you are in. Pagod na pagod ka na, and then sa taong 2025, makakauwi ka na rin. Finally, kasi minamanifest mo ito at mangyari na rin itong freedom na hinihiling mo or pinipray mo, So, they will be traveling. And again, you will be receiving a good news about sa trabaho. So, you will be receiving this on 2025, this dream job, dream home. And yeah, I'm also getting like a vision. Navi-vision mo ito. So, again, guys, ang sekreto lang kasi sa pagmamanifest na mangyari ito, i-vision nyo ito. Habang nag-meditate kayo, during your meditation, i-vision ninyo itong minamanifest ninyo. So, habang binivision niyo siya, o itong siguro sa a person, a place, or pangyayari, it's gonna happen. Especially, for the year 2025, mas mag-a-activate itong solar plexus chakra ninyo at ang inyong psychic. Kung may pagka-psychic kayo, yes, sa taong 2025, your manifestation is happening. You will be blessed about this travel, dream work, dream house, this person. Yes, meron itong mas magiging malakas ang iyong energy sa iyong psychic, as a psychic reader, a psychic healer, or ang iyong kutob. Yeah, maybe you guys are like, yung energy ninyo, malakas, mas mapapalakas pa ang energy ninyo sa taong 2025, which is, people will see that. The more kasi na maliwanag ang energy ninyo, the more nas nag-a-attract naman itong, or attractive naman ito sa mga bitterness ng mga tao, which is, you should be continue on praying para mas maprotektahan ang energy ninyo sa taong 2025. Alright? So, congratulations guys sa taong 2025 for your manifestation to come true. So, hanggang dito na lang mga kapatid. I love you guys. Sana nag-enjoy kayo sa reading na ito. Please leave your comment below what you think about this reading. And maraming salamat po sa pagtangkilik nyo dito sa aking any of my tarot reading videos. Nakakatuwa pong mabasa ang inyong mga comment doon. And pasensya na mga kapatid kung hindi ko man kayo na-respond doon sa reading na sa comment ninyo. But then again, I really love you guys at busy lang talaga ang kapatid ninyo. And again, sana ay naintindihan ninyo and love lang tayo sa aking any of my tarot reading videos or dito sa aking YouTube channel, The Star Talking Tarot. Mag-ingat-ingat po kayo mga kapatid and God bless you all and congratulations